Here we are at Mcafee's Knob. Go over to the cliff. Scary. Oh, I'm gonna head over the side. Just chill. It was beautiful all day until we get up here and the storm's rolling in. It's getting really windy. But yeah, it's a beautiful view still. You can see the storm's right there. There's rain right in the valley. Wow, nice climb, nice cliff, having a good time, as always. What? Oh, I am.
Well, Cyborg is not.
Why? This guy. Banjo's never happy. I'm just dropping my phone. I'm getting rained on. I'm getting rained on right now. Alright, I guess I'll go because everything's getting wet. Alright, see you later, guys.